So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to schedule Instagram post or reels or video in Instagram apps. Suppose I want to add a video. It's a post, story, reels. I'm selecting the post option, then press on next, and you see don't no schedule option. If you go your advanced option, you don't able to see any schedule. To schedule your Instagram reels, video or post, you have to convert your personal account to your professional account first. So for that you have to select top right corner, and then you can see the account type and tools. You have to select account type and tools, and then you see two option: switch to professional account, add new professional account. So if you want to create new account, then you choose it, and I want to switch my personal account to switch business. So press on continue, 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 and I'm selecting personal block. You can select as you wish. So I want to press on OK, and you have to complete at least two or three. So I don't want to like that. Now your professional dashboard is switched, and now if you want to upload a reels or video, suppose I want to upload this as a post, and press on next, and if you go to advanced option, then you can see the schedule the reel option. So then you can easily schedule it. Suppose I am to schedule it 31 AM or PM, sorry, and back, and schedule option is available. Now I want to press on schedule it, and it's uploading. Now this video will be scheduled. So this is how you can easily schedule your Instagram post, your Instagram. So hope people thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.